Hi dear students, today we are starting our fourth unit. Here we have a poem and a story. The name of the poem is Rain. If you read the name of the poem, Rain. Let's recite this poem. If you listen, the rain is raining all around and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. All of you read with me. Rain. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. And it is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. This poem is about a rainy day. This poem is about a rainy day. Here, all of you look at the picture. You can see a girl and she wears a coat and she uses umbrella and she is playing in the rainwater, and we can also see some children, they are playing in the water. So this poem is about a rainy day. The rain is raining all around. The rain is raining all around. It is raining everywhere. The rain is raining all places. It falls on field and tree. It falls on field. It falls on field and tree. The rain falls on field and tree. And on the umbrellas here. The rain falls on umbrellas. The rain falls on ships sailing at the sea. The rain falls on ships sailing at the sea. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. The rain is raining everywhere. It falls on field and tree. It rains on umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. All of you read the new words. Field, umbrellas, ships. Field, umbrellas, ships. Take next page. Reading is fun. Here we have two questions. All of you read the first question. Where does the rain fall? Where does the rain fall? What's the answer? Yes, the rain falls on field and tree. The rain falls on fields and trees. Read the second question. What do people use when it rains? What do people use when it rains? Yes, people use umbrellas. People use umbrellas. Next section, let's talk. Here you have a chance to talk. What do you do on a rainy day? What do you do on a rainy day? Do you like rain? Do you like to play in the rainwater? Do you like to eat snacks when it rains? How do you keep yourself dry in the rain? How do you keep yourself dry in the rain? We can use umbrella, raincoat, cap, etc. Do you like to play in the water? Do you like to play in water? Yes. Say what things live in water? Yes, fish, frog, some snake, seal, etc. Next one, let's listen. Let's listen. Have you heard the sound of rainfall? It's very familiar. Have you heard the sound of rainfall? What sound does the rain make on umbrellas? What sound does the rain make on umbrellas? What sound does the rain make on umbrellas? Tip tip sound. What sound does the rain make on the leaves of the trees? What sound does the rain make on the leaves of the trees? Have you heard it? What sound does the rain make on your window? Make all these sounds yourself. Well, if you try to make all these sounds. Next page. Counting clouds. Clouds. Complete the story. Here, a story is given. You have to complete the story and try to clouds. As one little white cloud floated in the sky one day, and the little cloud called out, "Come, let's play." One day, one little white cloud floated in the sky. One day, one little white cloud floated in the sky. At that time, another little cloud called out. At that time, another little cloud called, "Come, let's play. Come, cloud, come. Let's play. Let's play." As two little clouds danced in the sky so blue, another little cloud asked, "Can I join you?" Then the two little clouds danced in the sky so blue. That means two little clouds danced in the blue sky. Then another little cloud asked, "Can I join you? Can I join you? Can I play with you?" So, as three little clouds held hands in the sky, the wind blew another little cloud very close by. Then the three little clouds held hands in the sky. Here you can see the three little clouds held hands in the sky. At that time the wind blew. The wind blew another little cloud very close by. The wind blew another little cloud near them. As four little clouds decided what to do, another little cloud joined them very quietly too. As four little clouds decided what to do, they are discussing what to do. Another little cloud joined them very quietly. Then another little cloud joined them very calmly. Now write what the fifth and the sixth clouds did. Here you have to add more lines. Now write what the fifth and the sixth clouds did. This is an example for you. Write your own sentences. As five little clouds sang in the sky. Five little clouds sang in the sky. Another little cloud came to sing. At that time another little cloud came to sing. So total 6 clouds. As 6 little clouds floated jointly, or they started raining heavily. As 6 little clouds floated jointly. They floated jointly, or they started raining heavily. Then it started raining heavily. Well, if you take next page, word fun. Word fun. Fill in the letters to complete the crossword puzzle. Use the pictures as clues. Fill in the letters to complete the crossword puzzle. Use the pictures as clues. Here you can see a crossword puzzle. Use letters to complete the crossword puzzle, and you can use the pictures as clues. Try to fill the letters. It's a homework for you. All of you try to complete this work yourself. Next one, let's share. Let's share. What would you call these pictures in your language? Now label the pictures in English. What would you call these pictures in your language? That means in Malayalam. Now label the pictures in English. What would you call these pictures in your language? Now label the pictures in English. First one, moon. Second one, sun. Then cloud, star. What's the Malayalam word of moon? Chandran. Sun, Suryan. Cloud, Megham. Star, Nakshatram. Okay.